The starting point is always a business need, because business objectives often provide hints on which technology to choose. The market has a few big players with similar solutions, so you should consider unique factors for your project. Consider which technology you and your team are most proficient in, and which one appeals to you the most. Take a step back and look at the bigger picture. If you want to optimize costs or prioritize time, choose the technology your team is most familiar with. If you aim to motivate your team to grow and provide them with learning opportunities, consider adopting the newest technologies. But remember, technology should always align with your business strategy and needs. Before we even start working on software development, we should understand your business goals. What do you want to achieve? What is the minimum viable product for you? If you lack technological expertise, consider hiring CTO as a service, who will help you assess your project idea. Once a general project roadmap is complete, it's time to involve programmers and testers. Everyone involved in the project should fully understand the software's features. Only then we can begin detailed planning and software development. It's best to do it in an agile way, with iterations. This approach guarantees that the end product suits your requirements, and you can see the results instantly when the team progresses with implementation. When selecting your technology stack, start with your budget. This is the main factor that determines all your decisions. The other one is the team you work with and the technologies they are proficient in. Once these aspects are established, you can choose the cloud provider and think of a programming language, frontend and backend frameworks, and persistence layer. To choose wisely, consider all licensing costs, which often depend on the size and complexity of the project. However, the main factors are the budget and your team's skills. When asked for technological recommendations, I always suggest .NET. I've been working with this framework for over 20 years and I can see how it evolves. No other framework evolves that quickly. .NET works on all operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and macOS. It is very developer-friendly, open source, and transparent. Everything you may need is there. I don't know any other environment that would be so developer-friendly as .NET. The first backend framework I recommend is .NET. In my opinion, it is the best choice. My second choice would be Node.js, because it also develops rapidly and has a broad community. Additionally, PHP and Java are also technologies I recommend. I suggest React.js as a frontend framework, or Blazor, a modern front-end web framework based on HTML, CSS, and C# that was developed by Microsoft. Other frameworks worth considering are Angular and Vue.js. I will give you this general advice. Choose the technology your team is comfortable with and likes using, and always opt for technology that will help your business grow without investing in new software for a long time.